JCS clamps have built an unrivaled reputation for their strength, durability and performance. With an uncompromising approach to quality, JCS have become the UK's leading manufacturer of worm drive hose clamps. Our products are trusted across the world in the most demanding of applications and in the harshest of environments. Available in zinc-plated mild steel and 2 grades of stainless steel, 304 and 316, we have the product to suit almost every application. Our high grit range are built to exceed the British BS 5315 standard and all carry the Kite Mark stamp of approval. The heavy duty high torque clamps, although similar in appearance, offer the ultimate clamping solution and have been specifically designed for use on high pressure applications and wire reinforced hoses. Our commitment to quality means that our factory in Suffolk, England, we're almost fully self-sufficient. With our in-house design, testing and manufacturing facilities, along with a dedicated tool room to keep everything running, we can ensure full traceability of every clamp and component, safe in the knowledge it is built to our customers' exacting standards. We even do the zinc plating ourselves, and who else do you know that still does that? We don't compromise on quality, so why should you?